Okay, guys, so today we are going to talk about goddess energy. Goddess energy is the expression of our divine feminine archetype or pattern or behavior. It embodies our intuition, compassion, receptibility, sensuality, and gentleness. Not just that, but harnessing your fierceness, power, your strength, and wisdom. A great example would be Mother Nature. It's the source of beautiful sunsets, flowers, beaches, mountains, ocean, and more importantly, life. And you have the same power within you, and that is the goddess energy. Goddess energy is all about glowing from inside out and feeling confident and beautiful on the inside and radiating that energy outward. So it has to start from within so that it can be expressed outwardly. So much so that you are overflowing in this vibration and everyone around you can feel it. They can feel you emanating and radiating that energy. So this is all about feeling. This is not something that you can fake. If this sort of thing is new to you, then doing this goddess ritual will just reinforce that energy and that vibration into you. Repetition is key. Just like going to the gym, the more you put in the reps, the more times you show up and build that muscle, you will then have the ideal body that you are trying to achieve. Same with this. The more that you will become it, and then you will effortlessly embody it. And you will become your definition of a goddess. Okay, so connecting to the goddess within is all about connecting to your spiritual self and honoring your spiritual nature. Knowing that magic is everywhere, it's all around you. Using rituals and creating a sacred space helps us remember our goddess within. So this is not my original spell. I saw this on TikTok from Tiny Mystic about a year ago, and she got it from someone else. So I will link both of their YouTubes down below in the description. I also want to say that this is the only type of love spell that I do, and it's for self-love, and it's something that I do on myself. We're not doing anything to like manipulate other people. This is strictly for you. This is strictly for you to tap into your goddess energy. So this is centered around self-love. Love yourself. That same energy will come back to you, and people on the outside will radiate that same loving energy back to you because you feel it first on the inside. And this spell is centered around light energy, so don't worry about anything dark going on or doing anything. We are not doing anything like satanic or evil in this ritual. It is pure light, pure love, pure grace. This is all for your love, your confidence, and to bring out that inner goddess in you. So since you are doing this spell on yourself, it will kind of work as a love spell because people are going to notice the difference and the shift in the energies. They're gonna notice how beautiful you are. You might get asked on many more dates. You are going to become more magnetic. People are going to act differently towards you. They are going to feel that your energy has shifted or changed. People are gonna treat you differently, so just be ready for this. You're probably going to get more attention, and you're gonna have like a glowing aura around you. You're gonna have a glowing effect. So much so that people can feel the vibe changing and the energy shifting. They're going to wonder what you did and how you did it. This ritual will make you be the kind of woman that when you leave the room, there will be at least one person asking, who the was that? Who the heck was that? So if you are ready for your energy to shift, to have a glowing effect, and to just become a goddess, if you are ready for this glow up, let's get into it. Okay, so first off, I want to go over the ingredients. So you will need a pink or a red pen with red ink, a blank sheet of paper, preferably without lines. You don't want any obstructions or anything on the paper that's going to interfere with what you are trying to do, your intention. The next thing is a jar, a glass jar with a lid. You could also use this, a glass jar with a lid, so it can be sealable, keep all the energy in. You want to have some dried rose petals. Doesn't matter the color. I use red from some roses that I already had. And rose just symbolizes unconditional love. It symbolizes beauty, self-love. It's the highest vibrating flower, so it has a high vibrational frequency. So basically beauty, love, all that goddess energy, you need the rose petals. Then you will need some ground cinnamon. Super easy to obtain. Just go to your kitchen, you probably have some. Or go to the grocery store and you can get some cinnamon. And cinnamon is just to intensify the spell. So cinnamon is really good for attracting things to you. One thing that is like not required, but if you're into this kind of thing, it's nice to have. It's moon water. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it. But okay, so it's moon water. I made this by just cleansing the bottle and putting purified water and my intention into this glass bottle, and then letting it sit out underneath the full moon, and letting it charge near your crystals. So yeah, full moon water is just for a spell enhancer, just to give it that extra oomph. If you're not into making moon water or anything like that, you can skip that step. Okay, so then next we have personal items, because you want to personalize this jar. You want to make it yours. You want to put your energy, your essence into this jar. You can use items like your hair, your fingernails, or really just take like a piece of my hair or some hair that like fell out. I will put it in this jar. Crystals, so rose quartz is really good. I have a rose quartz in here. That's good for love. Pink calcite, you can put that in there. That one is really good for self-love and beauty. So anything that you think represents love, put one crystal in there. Okay, so then I also put a piece of jewelry. There was like these earrings that I would wear all the time, so I put one earring in here, and it's kind of like an offering to it. So like when you put it in here, you will not like wear it again. Jewelry, it could be a ring, anything you want. You can put like a tiny tarot card. That's what Tiny Mystic did. She put a tiny tarot card, and I have to get some because I want to get the High Priestess tarot card and the star, because the star is my birth one, and then the High Priestess, that's just what I want to embody. So I want to get a small one and put it in here, but for now I just have a picture of myself in there to personalize it. So you can either put a tarot card if you're into that, or a picture of yourself. Okay, sexual energy, but we'll get into that a little bit later. Now that we did the ingredients, let's go into the steps and preparation. I'm so excited. Okay, so to prepare, you want to do this and you want to time it right. So you could do this on the full moon. Okay, that is preferably when you want to do this. This is when the energies are at the highest, is peak energy, when the energies are the strongest. Okay, so, or you can do this when you are just feeling yourself, like you're feeling really loving, you're feeling really confident, you're really feeling really beautiful and radiant. You could also do this. Another thing, like if you do miss the moon cycles, you could do it on a Friday, which is Venus Day. And that's all about like love and the natural order of things. So Friday is a really good day to do this, just to be in that self-loving space and, you know, just love yourself extra on Friday. So those are like the timing and preparation that you can do this. All right, so step number one, you're going to take a spiritual bath, or a spiritual self-love bath. So you're gonna need some either pink Himalayan salt, Epsom salt, rose petals. You need to put some, you can bring in some candles, like some little tea light candles, some music, this whole like ritual. Okay, so oh yeah, and side note, this will take maybe like 1 to like 3 hours to do. So while you have all your ingredients and you made your bath and you put your intention of like the salt, the rose petals, making this bath for yourself with the intent of self-love. When you're in the bath, you're relaxing, you're gonna like either take some Epsom salt from the bath, or if you have a scrub, and just start scrubbing your body with the salts. Like scrub your body and envision yourself like shedding the old skin. Envision yourself shedding the dead thoughts or the dead influences that do not serve you anymore. Okay? So you're washing away anything that doesn't serve you anymore while you're in this bath. You're doing this, I want you to like feel your body, really get in touch with your body and visualize yourself being cleansed like a waterfall is just washing over you. Like your energy is just being cleared out. And then you're just soaking up love because you have rose petals in this luxurious bath. Okay, so then after you're done with your bath, I'd say like soak in it for about like 20 minutes. And then when it's time, when the water has like changed temperature, the temperature has went down, drain the water while you're still in it. Okay, so don't get out of the tub until the water has fully drained. And then while it's draining, envision like the negative energy or all the dirt just being sucked down the drain. Okay. Number 2. So you want to prepare your sacred space where you're going to be preparing this jar. So the table or the altar that you're going to be using to put everything together. When you cleanse the surface of the table that you're using or the altar, you want to like wipe it down with Florida water. Florida water smells so great. I love it. Okay. Forgot to put that in the ingredients, but Florida water, if you have it, if you have regular cleaning supplies, use that. That'll work. That will work. Okay, so then you cleanse the surface with your cleaning supplies or whatever, and then you want to cleanse the space, so the area, sage the area, and with your intention of cleansing all the energies around. And before you do all this, just make sure you declutter and make sure your space is clear items. Okay, make sure you have enough space to work with and it's not cluttered. Okay, so once you have cleansed the space, cleansed the energy, decluttered, you're going to take each item and you're going to cleanse it. So you're going to take the crystal, you're going to cleanse it, you're going to take the jewelry, you're going to cleanse it with sage or incense. You're going to cleanse the whole jar, cleanse the flowers, cleanse the cards, cleanse everything basically. Okay, so then once everything is clean, your space is clean, you're gonna set the tone, set the environment. Okay, so you're gonna like burn some candles, red or pink candle to symbolize love and beauty or passion. You can also use a white candle if you don't have red or pink, but you really want to either do red or pink candles. Okay, light your candles, burn some incense, some rose incense. I have that to symbolize love. Then you want to put on some relaxing music, frequencies, a nice chill playlist, something that you can relax to, thing to set the vibe and make it calm, peaceful environment. So something that feels good, something that has good energy. That's what you want to put on in the background. Okay, so then you're going to take your piece of paper and then you're going to write your affirmations 3 times. And it can be whatever you want. It can be, I am beautiful, I am captivating, I am a goddess, I'm confident. Or you can get really specific, like my eyebrow hair is growing really thick, my eyelashes are super long, my hair is long and healthy, my hair grows all the way down my back, whatever you want. Really specific on like your body, so like I have a slim waist, my hips are a nice size, I don't know, whatever y'all, however y'all want to look and feel, write it. Get really specific and then fill out the whole page, don't leave anything out. And then you're gonna take like some cinnamon and sprinkle it on the paper. Also, you can take your moon water, get some on your fingers and then just like rub it on the page. Get some rose petals and sprinkle it on the paper. Once you're done and you've added like some extra enhancements to your letter or to your petition, is what we call it, then you're going to fold it towards you. So like you take the paper and you're gonna fold it this way to you and you're gonna say your affirmations. So you're gonna fold it, say I am beautiful, fold it again, I am captivating, I am a goddess, I am the dream girl. So you're gonna like fold it to you while you're saying your affirmations, and you can say thank you. So you want to fold it enough to where it can fit into your jar. And when you're folding it, yeah, just say your affirm what you are calling for. Affirm your goddess energy. Affirm your goddess energy, and then also you can also say thank you. Gratefulness goes a long way. So like after it's all folded up, you can either like write thank you on the note once it's done, or you could sign your name. I usually write thank you on it because gratitude is the right attitude. All right, so the next step, once you have written your petition and you placed it in your jar, you're gonna take your jar and you're gonna like feel that energy. You're gonna feel the energy. You're gonna feel yourself changing. You're gonna feel more beautiful. A beam of light shining on you. You're gonna feel your energy. You're gonna feel yourself changing. You're going to feel as if a light is shining on you. And you're going to feel that goddess energy, and you're going to put all of that intent into the paper, okay? And you're going to take in some deep breaths. Take in about like 3 full in and out deep breaths. And then when you're ready, you're going to open your eyes. And then you're going to say thank you. And then you're going to put it in your jar. Okay, so then like with every piece that you put into the jar, you're gonna do that. You're going to like focus the intention, focus on the symbolism and what it means to you and how it will help you become a goddess, and then you're gonna put it in a jar. Put it in the jar. So with every piece, you will charge it with your intention, and you need to have a grateful aura around you. Feel gratitude about this, and feel gratitude for your strength and for your love. Gratitude for your goddess energy. Thank yourself for setting aside time to do this and how far you have come. Okay, so next, once you have everything in your jar, this is the time that you will charge it with your sexual energy. Okay, so I don't know if y'all know, but there's a method to manifestation, and it's called the O method. And it's basically like when you orgasm, you you think of what you want most, and you just like take all of that like energy, that sexual energy, and just like put it into that thought. So because it's so powerful. So basically it's kind of like sex magic. Well, it's like a really strong energy because that's the energy that creates life. If you want to, you can do it. It will definitely enhance your spell. But if not, you don't have to do it, and you can just keep moving on. When you charge it, after you charge it with sexual energy to give it an extra boost, extra power, extra strength, then I want you to put this somewhere you can see it every single day, and acknowledge it, give it attention, rub it, because this is essentially you, a projection of you into this jar. So I want you to treat it like your baby. Like every time you see it, be like, oh, hi, good morning, beautiful. Kiss it, like, hello, gorgeous, you know, because this is you. This is you. Be like, I love you. So you anointed this with your essence, and it is you. So honor it as such. Renown this as sacred, and just give it your affection, your attention, and your love and your care. All right, let me go over like some tips on how to refresh your jar. You can do this monthly, every full moon, or whenever you're feeling really confident, you're feeling like that girl. Always come back to it and hold it and give it love. So when you are really feeling good, you want to just like take that energy and like put it intently back into the jar. And then if you want to charge it up with some more sexual energy to boost it, you can whenever you need to, whenever you feel like, you know, it is necessary, just to enhance it. It's just gonna help you even more, and it's gonna help you love yourself even more. So rituals help us remember our divine nature, and remember and tuning into your goddess energy is a process that takes time. Enjoy the process, honor yourself, love yourself, and recognize the divinity that you have within. So let me know you guys' results. You can send me pictures. You can tag me on Instagram. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'd love to see how you guys' jars look, how they came out. So just let me know how it worked for you.